A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start our next topic in the same chapter, that is addition of two digit numbers. The next topic is addition properties. Here few properties are there, mainly four properties are there for adding any numbers. So let's start the properties first. First is order in adding two numbers. The numbers can be added in any order. The sum will be same in both the cases. Means when we are adding any two numbers, for example here two numbers are there, 3 and 5. Here we are, first of all we are taking 3 then 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Now if we are interchanging their places, now here in the second position is 5. If it will come in the first position and this 3 will come in the second position, means if we are adding 3 plus in place of 3 plus 5 we are adding 5 plus 3, then the sum will be same, that is 8. Means if we are adding 3 plus 5 is 8, or if we are adding 5 plus 3, that is also 8. This is the first property. In the same way, second property is adding 0. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. If any number is added by 0, then the answer will always the number itself. Here 9 is added with 0. So 9 plus 0 is 9. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. Means any number if you are adding with 0, the answer will be the always same. It will become no change. Next is adding 1. When 1 is added to a number, we get the number just after the given number. If any number is added by 1, means here if any number is 5, if 5 is adding by 1, then the answer will be the just after of the given number. Here is 5, the after of the 5 is 6, that means 5 plus 1 is 6. In the same way, second number is 32. If we are adding by 1, means 32 plus 1, so the answer will be the just after of the given number, means just after of 32, that means 33, or we can say that 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. This is the third property. Now fourth property is order in adding three numbers. The numbers can be grouped in any order, the sum will remain the same. Here they are talking about three numbers. In first case we have already discussed about adding of two numbers, but here they are talking about adding of three numbers. So how we will add? First of all, take any three numbers. Example 3 plus 5 plus 7. First of all we are adding these two numbers, 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8, and this 7 will be remain as it is. Now after that, in the next step you have to solve these two numbers, means 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So our answer is 15. In the same way, the numbers are same, 3 plus 5 plus 7, but now we are grouping this last two digits, last two numbers, means 5 and 7. So here this 3 will be remain as it is. Now we are adding these two numbers, 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So again add these two numbers, 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Now again the numbers are same, 3 plus 7 plus 5. The numbers are same here, but now we are adding first of all 3 and 7. In first case we have add 3 and 5. In next 5 and 7. Now we are adding 3 and 7. So when we add 3 and 7, it will be 10, and this 5 will remain as it is. Now after that we have to add these two numbers, means 10 plus 5, that is 15. So we can find that in all the cases the answer will be same. Means if in case of three numbers, in case of order of three numbers can be grouped in any order, the answer will be same. Okay, so these are the four properties. Now related from that four properties, the questions are given in your exercise number 2. So let's start. So first question is filling the blanks. Here 5 plus blank is equal to 4 plus 5. This is the question. Now here we have to identify which number will come in this blank. So first of all, look at here, 4 plus 5 is given, and here only 5 plus dash. 5 is common here in both the side, but which number is not given here? That is 4. So here the answer will be 4, or according to the first property, 3 plus 5 is 8, or we can say that 5 plus 3 is also 8. In the same way, 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5. We are only interchanging the places. Next is 6 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to dash plus 6 plus 5. Here 3 digits are there, 3 numbers are there. Here 6 and 5. These two numbers are common in this side. But which number is not given here? Which number is missing? That is 8. That means here we have to write 8. Or we can follow this rule also. Okay, this last one. That means 6 plus 8 plus 5 is equivalent to 8 plus 6 plus 5. In the same way, you have to solve these questions. Next is complete using addition facts. Here, according to the addition facts which we have already discussed, according to that you have to solve these questions. First is 18 plus 0 is equal to dash. 18 plus 0, 0 means nothing. If any number is added with 0, the answer will be the number itself. We have already discussed here in the second property. In the same way, 18 plus 0 is equal to, answer will be 18. Next is 95 plus 1 is equal to dash. If any number is added with 1, then the answer will be the just after of the number. That means here the number is 95, just after of 95 is 96, according to property third. So our answer is 96. In the same way, you have to solve these two questions. 29 plus dash is equal to 29. Means which number we will add from 29, the answer will be the 29. And here dash plus 0 is equal to 56. You have to solve these two questions. Thank you for watching this video.